Today, I'm going to show you how to create and send an email campaign. This tutorial will include building the filter, campaign, and email step required for the email campaign. The actual email will be built beforehand. First step will be creating a standard campaign. In order to set up the campaign, we must go to the campaign planning view. Campaign emails are sent in email steps, so we must add an email step by clicking Add Step and then Email Step. The Select view for email steps opens, where I will create a new step. As I have none that are suitable, I will use the title Example Email Step. But it's considered best practice to use titles that are meaningful so that you can easily search for it later. For a campaign to be able to run, the following fields need to be set. Kickoff date. The start date of the campaign. I'm setting it as today. Campaign email type. Each campaign email must be of a certain type so that the contacts can unsubscribe if they don't wish to receive email of that type. To configure the campaign email types available, go to Settings, Campaign, and then Campaign Email Type. For this example, I will use Newsletter. For an email step to run, it needs the following configuration. Email filter type. Decides which filter type your email will use. This is beyond the scope of this video, but we will use the simplest choice, FP filter. To add the filter, click the Add button on the filter field. The filter select view opens and we see that we don't have a filter that match our needs already built. So we create a new filter. We use a meaningful title. Born before 1990s. Now open the query builder. And add the first rule for gender, and then add the second rule for birthday. Let's say is equal with female. And now the second rule for birthday. We can type it. Let's say is less than 1990. First of January. Now you can test the query by clicking the test query. As you can see, we have 4 matched contacts. Now all you have to do is click Save and again, and submit your newly created filter. We assume that the email was built before, so we just select it. For the email to be sent from your company, the email subject, email from name, and email from address must be added. Click Create and click Create here as well. Now we get to the timing fields. In order to show you our validation system, I'm going to save and run the campaign with missing information. In this case, it's missing the day's offset. All validation errors have messages that describe the problem so that you can easily fix it. The day's offset is the number of days after the campaign kickoff date when the step should run. I want it to run on the same day as the campaign, so I set this value to 0. The time of the day is pretty self-explanatory. I set it as 5 minutes after the current time. Our campaign with a single email step is ready. We need to save it before running. If we have set up the campaign properly, it will run with no errors. And now, our matched contacts will receive the email at the designed time. Thank you.